Good evening everyone. Welcome to One Solution and I am your teacher Bitupan Sir. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.4. The first question of 2.4 is we have to solve the following questions. And the first question, as you can see, the questions containing division symbol. How we can solve them using very simple rule that you are going to learn today. So let's start the class. So students, now we are going to solve the problem 1 of question number 1. यहाँ पे है 12 divided by 3 by 4. I am going to try to teach you the best possible way to solve this question. यहाँ पे first number को पहले लिख लेना पड़ेगा. Then instead of division sign you have to put multiplication symbol और उसके बाद जो next number है यहाँ पे 3 by 4 उसका हम लोग लिखेंगे reciprocal जो है 4 by 3. The technique is that instead of division symbol you have to write product sign और उसके बाद जो भी नंबर है तुम्हारे सामने में उसका रेसिप्रोकल लिखना पड़ेगा. सो यहाँ पे 3 by 4 जिसका रेसिप्रोकल है 4 by 3 तो मैंने यहाँ लिख दिया. आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट. नाउ you know that 12 is a numerator, 3 is a denominator. Numerator and denominator both can be cancelled here. So यहाँ पे 3 से दोनों को डिवाइड जाएगा. 3 1 जा 3, 3 4 जा 12. So ऊपर में रहा सिर्फ 4 and 4, नीचे में रहा 1 जिसको नहीं लिखने से भी ठीक है. So 4 into 4 is 16. That's your answer. Now let's move to question number 2. यहाँ पे है 14 divided by 5 by 6. So following the same technique as earlier, पहले हम लोग 14 लिखेंगे. Then instead of division symbol I'll put into sign. Then उसके बाद जो है 5 by 6 we'll write the reciprocal of it which is 6 by 5. उसके बाद since 5 14 cannot be cancelled and same goes with 5 and 6, they cannot be cancelled. So what we will do, we'll simply multiply the numerators. So 14 into 6 divided by 5. 14 into 6 is 84. So 84 by 5 is your answer. Now let's move to problem number 3. यहाँ पे है 8 divided by 7 by 3. तो पहले हम लोग 8 लिखेंगे. Then instead of the division symbol we'll put into sign. उसके बाद जो नंबर है 7 by 3 we'll write the reciprocal of the number which is 3 by 7. यहाँ पे भी 7 and 8 cannot be cancelled and same goes with 7 and 3. तो इसीलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर्स को इंटू करेंगे. 8 into 3 by 7. So the answer is 24 by 7. That's your answer. Now let's go for question number 4. Here the question is 4 divided by 8 by 3. So I'll write 4 then into then 3 by 8 because 3 by 8 is the reciprocal of 8 by 3. यहाँ पर 4 and 8 both can be cancelled by a common number 4. So 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. तो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में रहा सिर्फ 2, न्यूमरेटर में रहा 1 into 3 which is 3. So 3 by 2 is your answer. इस नंबर को, इस फ्रैक्शन को तुम लोग मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में भी एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो पर आंसर यहाँ रखने से भी करेक्ट होगा. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. यहाँ है 3 divided by 2 1 by 3 which can be rewritten as 3 into 7 by 3 because 2 1 by 3 को जो है मिक्स फ्रैक्शन we have to convert into improper fraction. So according to rule the denominator will be 3. Then we have to multiply the whole number along with the denominator. So 2 into 3 is 6 and then that number, the answer will be added with the numerator. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Thus the answer is 7 by 3. तो यहाँ पे होगा 3 into 7 by 3 and 3 numerator and 3 denominator both can be cancelled here. So simply 7 will remain. याद रखना कैंसिल होने से 0 नहीं रहता है. 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3. So only 7 by 1 which can be only written as 7. That's your answer. Now problem number 6 of question number 1. 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग पहले लिखेंगे 5. Then instead of division symbol I will write into. देन 3 4/7 इस फ्रैक्शन को, इस मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को हम लोग इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, तो नीचे आएगा 7. 7 and 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. तो न्यूमरेटर will be 25. अब 5 and 7 cannot be cancelled. Same goes with 7 and 25. So simply यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर्स मल्टीप्लाई होंगे. So 5 into 25 divided by 7. 5 into 25 will get 125. So the final answer is 125 by 7. That's your answer. I hope तुम लोग को ये solution समझ में आया होगा. If you find the video interesting and helpful, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.